Welcome to section 2.2, creating and managing events, tasks, and reminders. So when you jump into the Google Calendar, the main thing you're going to be doing is creating these events, tasks, and reminders. So how do you do that? It's very easy. We're just going to go over the differences between the three and how to do them. So I have something scheduled for tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and click this day, the 13th. You have events, tasks, and reminders. So an event is something that's going to take up a considerable amount of time. You can add different guests to it. You can add a location, and you can have it span across multiple days and stuff like that. So say for this event, I have to work on presentation. So I want to set some time aside so I can work my presentation. I want to make sure that's in my schedule. If you want to add a time, you can click this button right here and the time will come up. So if I want to work on this from, let's go up to, let's say 12:30 to 3 o'clock, it shows you that that's 2.5 hours. That's cool. Got it. Okay. Now if I just want to, if this is an all day event, you can click all day and it'll take away the time and just make it a full day. Going down, you can change the color here. So you click the little icon. Here you have all these different colors. It changes up here. So let's make this just yellow for now. Down here you have some other options that aren't used as much, but this is a good feature right here. You can select how early you want it to remind you. So if you have this app on your phone and everything, you can select, say, hey, I want you to send me a notification 30 minutes before this event so I don't forget. Now just make sure you click save and it'll pop up here. Now if you want to say, oh man, I decided I want to do this on Friday, instead of going here and right clicking, you can delete it. Instead of doing that, you can click and drag over to the next day. Okay, so let's look at tasks now. So task is something that you don't have to necessarily have like a specific time or even day for that matter. So if your task is you need to dust something this day, okay? You can put a description, dusk, the desk, and then just click save. Pretty simple. So if you go up here in the top right, you can see the tasks button. Go ahead and click that. And here it'll list all of your tasks. So say tomorrow comes around and I finished dusting. You can click on this and choose mark as complete. And up here it'll be completed and go down to the completed section where you can view that there. So the next feature is a reminder. So a reminder is something that can ping your phone or your computer or whatever. And there's no specific time duration or anything like that. So if I want to remind myself to call Ed, I can set a specific time for this reminder to go off. So I want this to go off after lunch at 1 o'clock and click save. So once 1 p.m. comes around tomorrow, I'll get a reminder, call Ed, then I can call him. Okay, so I'm just going to right click and delete this one now. So that's a quick overview of events, tasks, and reminders. That's all we got for section 2.2.